Santa is coming and we are still on Christmas time. In this video I show you two very important embroidery tips for this project. First, we are checking how to design lettering with the default Wilcom Fonts. Then, how to properly embroider with the FAUX 4. Take a look!
Santa is coming and it's Christmas time. Let's celebrate with this holiday project. In today's tutorial, I'll show you two very important embroidery tips. First, we are checking on how to design lettering with the default fonts in Wilcom, and then how to properly embroider on FAUX 4. Watch and learn. I'm starting as always with the embroidery design. Open Wilcom, select the text tool, and in this part, Object Properties, choose the option Special. Then after that, start writing inside the text box whatever you want. A name, Christmas quote, whatever. And then click on Create Text. Select just a font of your choice. And that's it. In Baseline, select Freeline, click in Layout just to quickly check everything is okay. And save. Preview your text and I'm going to change the font once again. Resize the design based on your boot measurements. In my case, I'll change the stitch to the tummy because I want a full-fill lettering. Then I'll save my design. Let's move to the embroidery machine. The first thing we are going to do is framing. Take the Christmas boot and with the clips, open, adjust the boot to the clip frame. And finally, lock the clips. Place the stabilizer under the FAUX 4. Mark the designated area for your lettering just to make sure the area is correct. Since we are working with FAUX 4, it's necessary to use a layer of flexible material which works to prevent the fur from coming out between the stitches. In this case, I'll use a transparent plastic sheet. And the layers must be set in the following order: stabilizer as the first layer, FAUX 4 as a middle layer, and transparent plastic sheet as the cover layer. This technique is regularly used also for bath towel embroidery. Once the embroidery is finished, take out the frame from the embroidery machine and the only thing left is to tear off the plastic from the embroidery. This is the final result! An amazing Christmas boot to decorate your cozy home this holiday. We are already waiting for Christmas with our personalized Christmas boots, aren't you?
Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please let them in the comments in the section below. Follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel. Merry Christmas!